I'm off for something distinctly Icelandic for lunch.
How are you?
Yes.
I'm Alexander.
Hi, Alexander.
How nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Siggy.
Is this a spring?
We have cracks in the ground here that bring us boiling water, 24/7.
He uses the boiling shore of Lake Laugarvatn to zhuzh up his lunch.
This is water coming just from the core of the earth.
Absolutely. It's heating up the water that comes with, rain and everything. And so we have like layers
Yes.
of water that starts to boil and needs to get up.
Okay.
We put rye bread down here yesterday.
Yeah.
Takes 24 hours to bake this.
Look at that.
Oy.
And it's dry in there.
Look at that.
Oh, that's really delicious.
Siggy's also thrown some eggs in for us. Decent of him.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at that. Shall I take those?
Here's the smoked trout that we
From the lake?
from the lake.
Oh,
And I keep plastic on this because of the flies,
yes, I suppose you've got a few of those. These aren't, they're like sort of midges, but they're not. They're a bit bigger than midges.
Oh, they're friendly little bastards.
Right? That's exactly it. Yes. Look at that. It's like a cake, really.
It's looking beautiful. So I'm using the same recipe my grandmother and mother were using,
Yes.
and I always say when I see the bread is looking that good, Grandma would be proud.
Oh, she would be proud. It has a cake sort of texture.
Yeah, some people say it reminds them of, for example, gingerbread.
Yeah, yeah. Or carrot cake or something.
Carrot cake. There is sweetness in this recipe. The sweetness mixing with the rye makes this unique taste that I can't describe, and
Yeah.
you will just have to taste.
I'll just have to taste it.
This trout is smoked with birch. We put a little butter on top of it. Yes. You want to go for it? Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers to you. There we are. Bang our breads.
Yeah. Ah.
That's so good. Because it, as you say, it's got the sort of cakey sweetness.
Yeah.
And the butter and the smoke of that trout.
Right, exactly.
And the egg's just a joy.
It's all making a great harmony.
I'll remember this forever. Things I've really, really, really loved eating are things I don't forget.
Oh, okay.
So thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Really love it to meet you.